Hey, in this video, we're going to cover how to create a watch-only wallet. A watch-only wallet is a wallet that stores your public keys, not your private keys. So it allows you the ability to view all of your transactions, and it allows you the ability to grab a bit address for someone to send payment to you. But what it doesn't allow is it doesn't allow the ability to spend from the wallet. So it's perfectly safe to have on a public device or on your phone or something that's not as secure that you would want to secure a wallet that you can actually spend funds from. But yeah, what it does is it allows you to view the balances on public Bitcoin addresses and receive payments without any fear whatsoever of anyone ever being able to take from your wallet, because you need the private key to be able to spend from a Bitcoin wallet. With only the public key, you can only do two things, and that's to view balances and receive payments. You cannot send payments without the private key. So to do that in the Electrum wallet, you go to create a new wallet. This is the screen you're first presented with when you first open the application. And then you can call it whatever you'd like. That's just for your purposes. The name of the wallet is just on your computer. Go to next, and then it will ask, what kind of wallet do you want to create? There's actually two ways you can go about this. We can go to standard wallet. And if we click next, we can say use a master key. A master key is called an XPub, or YPub is going to be the entire list of public keys available in a Bitcoin wallet. So a Bitcoin wallet will automatically generate an unlimited amount of private keys. It will show you the first 25 or so, and as you use one, another one will populate. But they're all there. They're all there predetermined cryptographically from your seed phrase. Now, by pasting in a master key or an XPub, master public key, what that will do is it will give the wallet access to all of your public keys. And from there, you can monitor your entire wallet and view the balance on all of the addresses. You can also grab a new address if you want to give it to someone so they can send you a payment, but you're not able to spend from it. So that creates a watch only wallet. And I'll show you how to grab the master public key from your wallet later. But as for right now, just know that's where you paste this, and then it will create a wallet, and we'll go through that, of all of your public keys only, private keys not included. Separately, what you can do is go back again and create import a Bitcoin address import Bitcoin addresses or private keys. Now what this will do, click next here, is this will allow you to do two things. One, you can import a private key. If you import a private key, you'll be able to spend from it. It will import, instead of an entire wallet address, it will just import that private key and public key along with it. Or you can simply paste in a public key, just one, a single one or a handful of them, as many as you'd like. And what it will do is it will monitor only those public keys you put in here. So the same as with the other one, but instead of creating an entire wallet of addresses, it will show, and you'll have viewing access to only the ones you paste in here. So you can paste a public key in here, and what that will do is it will allow the wallet to be watch only, but not from all of your addresses, just the ones you specify. And they don't even have to be your addresses. The cool thing about this is you can paste in any public key addresses and watch them, because everything's transparent and viewable on the blockchain. Everything's public as far as addresses and amounts. You can paste any public key in here and create a watch only address. Actually, let me grab tab here and let's do that right now. Popular Bitcoin address. Here we go. Here is the Bitcoin rich list. So as you can see here, this address has 44,000 Bitcoin on it. We'll copy this address and we'll go back here and we'll paste in that public key, not the whole address, just the public key only, and click next, no password. And we'll let this synchronize, and we will have access to view. You can't spend or anything else, but you can view all of the transactions and the transaction history from this one public Bitcoin address that we just imported. So it has 54 transactions, as you can see. And if you looked on the blockchain, it would show you the same thing, but this allows you to monitor it from your own wallet if you'd like. Fun fact, if you want to go out and impress someone, just add a random public key to a watch only wallet. It will appear as though you're rich. Don't actually do that because for security purposes, someone might actually try to rob you and then you won't have the Bitcoin you claim to. But yeah, it could be a fun prank depending on who you show. Anyways, we'll go to addresses now. And as you can see, that one Bitcoin address has 44,000 Bitcoin on it. And yeah, go to coins and you can see all of the different transaction history of this one address. And as you can see here, you have the dates, the amounts, and the balance. So yeah, that's one cool way to do that. Let's go open one of my previous wallets that I had. Previous wallet I had for a different testing video. What we'll do is this is an actual wallet with all of my addresses here. And if you go to view private key, you can see the private key corresponding to the public key. This is just a regular normal Bitcoin wallet. If we go to information, here is the master public key I was talking about earlier. If you copy that, what it will do, so we copied the master public key from this entire wallet. And as you can see, these addresses, one ends in JK, one ends in 355, and they have private keys associated with them, as I showed you. If we actually go and create a new wallet and say, next, I have a master key, paste in that key there, next. So, and here we go. Here's a little warning, watch only wallet. Meaning in this wallet here that we just created, this new one, what we can do is, again, watch all the addresses that are in it. We can grab an address, we can copy the address and give it to someone else so they can send payment to this wallet. We can watch the payment come in, we can verify that it's come in, but what we can't do is spend from it because we don't actually have the private key. As you can see, there's no option to view the private key anymore because this is a watch only wallet. You cannot spend from it. And if you were to try to spend from it, you wouldn't be able to. The pay button is grayed out. There's no possible way to spend from it because you can't unlock the public key address without the private key. So you can use this in situations where you want to be transparent, where you want to give someone access to view your wallet, view your balances, or you can put this on your phone so you can view your wallet, view your addresses. You can know when you receive a payment, but you won't be able to spend from it, and neither will anyone else. So should your device get compromised, it wouldn't really matter because they can't do anything other than view your addresses and view your balances, which isn't ideal, but they can't actually spend anything. So it's not the end of the world as if the other situation. Yeah, if somebody actually were able to take your coins, that's much worse, obviously. So yeah, that is the basics of how to create a watch only wallet and some of the use cases where you might find that useful. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have, check out some of our other ones. Thank you for watching.